Hello everyone, welcome back to another Eats365 POS release overview. I'm Amanda from the Academy team. Today, we will explore the latest features and enhancements in the Eats365 POS and branded online store. In this video, we will go over the features we have added on the POS, such as including modifier price on kitchen tickets, where you can now view a total price of the item on the kitchen tickets, rearranging payment screen tender options, so you can arrange the layout accordingly to ease the payment experience of your staff, a warning message that will show when generating a large number of Taiwan tax invoice numbers, displaying the order net total with no taxes applied in the receipt, new settings where you can use scan only as the searching method for member ID, and a role permission that display expired item for staff member in their POS menu. As for the branded online store enhancement, we will introduce a new website theme with customization options and the availability of global payment link pay. We will be going over each of these updates in more detail. If you are particularly interested in any of the enhancements, you can check the video descriptions below to jump to the topic you would like to learn more about. Let's get started. Beginning with our POS enhancement, in addition to the previous update that allowed printing single and combo item price on kitchen tickets, the price of a modifier is now also included in the item price printed on kitchen tickets, allowing kitchen staff to be mindful of pricing information for cost tracking, portions control, and other operational needs. To set this, log into your merchant portal and click on Restaurant Setting. Scroll down till you see Printing. Click on the Ticket setting. Then select the Ticket Template tab. Scroll down to the bottom till you can see Price Display. And from here, you can enable the Show Price of Single Item or Show Price of Combo options. Now for my example here, I will enable the Show Price of Single Item and select Save. Once done, don't forget to update your POS. From the kitchen tickets, a avocado pizza is $25. And if a modifier, for example, prawn is added to the avocado pizza, where there is an additional $5 charge, the avocado pizza will then now shows as $30 on the kitchen tickets, where you enable the show price of single item. Next, we will be going through reorder tender options. With these features, you can now rearrange the placement of tender option button on the POS payment screen. This allows you to make popular tender options easier to select during payment. To do this, at the merchant portal, click on Restaurant Setting and then click on Tender Setting. Select Tenders. Once done, go to Tender Sequence. So, next to the tender you would like to reorder, click and hold the move icon and drag the options to where you want it to be appear in your POS. So for example here, cash is my frequent payment options or tender options in my POS. Then I will switch cash to the top part. And second, I will move Visa to the top second in the list. So once you have already moved your tender type, just click on Save. Then, don't forget to update your POS. The tender option sequence starts out from the left going to the right, so whichever tender is first and second in the list will appear in the leftmost, and so on. Moving on, this update is for restaurant located in Taiwan. When you have 50 or more tax invoice numbers generated, a warning message will be displayed in your e-invoice setting to remind you that in the event that the POS resets, or the invoice numbers are deleted, the unused downloaded invoice number will no longer be usable. This emphasizes the importance of not generating too many invoices at once to avoid wastage. To view this message, log into the Eats365 POS, go to Setting, then tap on E-Invoice. Then click on Get Invoice Number. Here, you will then find a message that reads, the invoice number downloaded on your device will no longer be usable when you reset or uninstall this device. Please download the amount you need. For the next enhancement, if you have tax-inclusive pricing for your menu items, you can set whether you want receipts to show only the total bill, which includes the order cost inclusive of taxes, as well as a separate line for the taxes charge, or also include the net total, which indicates the order cost without tax. This allows customers to know the actual total of their bill before taxes are applied. To set this, log into your merchant portal and click on Restaurant Setting. Scroll down to the bottom till you see Printing. Click on it and click on Receipt Setting. At the Receipt Template tab, click on it and scroll till you see Order Informations. Enable the Show Net Amount and save it. From here, on the left, you can see that only the included tax is being shown when the setting is disabled. But when the Show Net Amount is enabled, the receipt will show the breakdown of both the included tax and also the net amount. Next, we will be going through the new enhancement on member searching method, which merchants with an integrated third-party CRM system can now set their preferred member ID searching method on the POS. Previously, only the input and scan searching method was supported. But with this enhancement, we have added a scan-only options, removing the field to enter the member ID manually. To configure this for third-party CRM, go to your restaurant merchant portal App Store, then click on App Library. Open the third-party CRM settings, then click on the member ID search method on POS and MPOS drop-down list, and select your preferred member ID searching method. So as an example here, I will click on the scan only as my member ID searching method. Once done, click on Save. Once you have already saved it in your merchant portal, don't forget to update your POS. So from here, you can see at my member searching area here, it will only show scan code only. Last, on our POS enhancement, the additions of the Show Expired Menu Item role permission allow roles to access items that have exceeded their indicated availability in their POS menu. When this permission is disabled for a role, the POS will not display expired items for the staff members assigned with that role. It's important to take note that the access to all menu item setting is enabled in order to set this Show Expired Menu Item. To enable Show Expired Menu Items permission, log into your POS and in the POS setting here, scroll down till you see User and Permissions. So click on the Role Permissions, then open a role setting by editing an existing role or creating a new one. So for my example here, I will click on my manager to edit the permissions. Scroll down to the Other Operations Permissions. And here you can see the Show Expiry item. So enable this and click on Update. Here is an example to show that in my restaurant, garlic butter escargot is an expired item. Therefore, once I enable the Show Expiry items, the items will appear in the menu ordering screen. And when I disable the Show Expiry items, it will no longer show in my menu ordering screen. Now, let's discuss the branded online store enhancement. We are excited to introduce the branded online store Flexi Layout landing page theme. These themes lets you customize the placement, size, and image of service option button, as well as add a media sections to your restaurant website, where you can post promotional media content such as images and YouTube videos. To change your branded online store homepage theme, on the merchant portal, click on Modules, then go to Branded Online Store, click on Ordering Site Settings. Next to the website link you would like to make these changes, click on Edit. Click on the Branded Web Landing Page Style drop-down list and select Flexi Layout. Next, click on the Service option drop-down and select which of your restaurant-supported services type you would like to be available for your branded online stores. So for my example here, I will choose Pickup, Delivery, Queuing, Reservations. Once all applicable service options have been selected, click on Go to Layout Design Editor. From here, you can now modify how the service options button appear on your website by changing their placement, adjusting the size and shape, and using personalized images for the buttons. To move a button to another location, click and hold on it, then drag it to where you want it to be placed. To change a button dimension, click and hold the resize icon and adjust the frame. It is important to note that when modifying the button sizes, you must ensure that the bottom spacing is even to avoid errors. To change a button image, hover your mouse cursor to the bottom of the options box frame until an image icon appears. Then, select the pictures you would like to upload, then click on Upload. To remove an uploaded image, click on Delete. Once you have modified your service options button according to your preferences, click on Save. This is how your branded online store will look like after editing the layout design. Additionally, for Flexi Layout, it also offers a media section that allows you to post images and YouTube's video for promotional purposes. To set this up, at the same ordering site settings, scroll down till you see Media Sections and enable this Show Media Sections. Enter a name and description for the media sections. These will both appear on the landing page to help identify the media sections. Under Cover Image for mobile or Cover Image for desktop, click on the Add New Media drop-down list and choose the media type you would like to add. For images, enter a name for the image and upload the image. Once complete, click on Save. For YouTube video, enter a name for the video, then enter the YouTube video ID. Here is an example to guide you on getting the YouTube video ID. Click on the Share button here, and starting from here, this will be your YouTube video ID. Copy this code and paste it at the YouTube video ID section in your merchant portal. You can click on the preview button here to watch the YouTube video that you have added. So, once you have entered the name and the YouTube video ID, click on Save. This is how it will be shown in your mobile version of Branded Online Store, where you can see there is a Media Promotions tab here. When you add multiple instances of media, they will be displayed in a media frame that your customer can browse through. And for our final enhancement, we are also excited to share with you that Global Payment Link Pay will soon be supported on the Branded Online Store, allowing you to expand your payment methods by enabling Alipay Hong Kong, Alipay, and WeChat Pay. To configure this for your website, on the merchant portal, click on Restaurant Setting, then Payment Setting. Select Integrated Payment Setting, and in the User App or Branded Online Store Payment tab, click on the Credit Card Payment Provider drop-down list. Select Global Payment. Scroll down to the bottom till you see Link Pay. Enable this and enter the store ID and sign key. Under Display Accepted Card Types, turn on each payment method you would like to make it available. So for my scenario, I will enable all. And don't forget to click on Save. Alright, that completes our highlight for this video. As a reminder, these enhancements and features are now available on your POS, merchant portal, and branded online store. So feel free to explore these new and exciting features and elevate your restaurant workflow. If you encounter any challenges while setting up these features, you can always check the Eats365 knowledge base for a comprehensive guide or contact us for further assistance. See you guys again in our next update. Goodbye and have a great day.